We're off the bus, we've arrived at the next one, Gullfoss Waterfall, and one thing I noticed straight away, it is a lot windier here. Oh, that wind's bitter. We're in the open, so I'll show you. Turn it round. See you soon. Oh, it's a bit colder here. Okay, so I presume we just follow the trek. We're heading to the waterfall. So we're on the trek. We've got 45 minutes again now. I don't know where the waterfall is though. I presume the trek leaves over there. I can't see it yet. I'll run the camera then because I think we might be able to see it once we get over this little mound. Oh, I can hear it now.
Yeah.
Just coming into view. Yeah. He said it's better than Niagara Falls. I don't think it is, but he's obviously going to say that, isn't he? It's on my right hand side. There it is. Oh man, that is frozen, isn't it? Oh wow. I'm not kidding you. This is the coldest attraction I've ever done. It is freezing, Pete.
Oh yeah.
Just have a look. That wind is absolutely freezing. We've just come from the geysers and it was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's really cold, yeah.
Oh, it's the wind. The wind is unbelievable. Right, we're going to head over there, Peter. Oh, it's so cold. Oh. We're nearly at that. Hey?
Quite icy.
Yeah, you've got to be careful, it's icy. Just make sure you stay on the main bit, Pete, in the middle, the gravel. What we might actually do is see there on the second level there's some steps going down, so we might actually head there and just go down. You can see the waterfall a lot better from there, I would think. Come down to the bottom of the stairs then. Right, 5 or 10 minutes down here, Pete.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go see what it looks like from here. Oh wow. Yeah, this is better, Pete, isn't it?